Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where we're here to make gains. Whether it's going to be passive income or low market cap gems, we're here for you to make it happen. I believe Celestia, token TIA, is going to be huge in the next bull market. We're going to look at how to stake it and the best validators to possibly get future airdrops. Nothing on this channel or on this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Let's start with the TIA price. It's at $19.79. If we go to my trading view chart, it looks like it wants to go all the way up to $20.84, if not higher. The market's up today. TIA has pumped in the recent past, so you got to be careful of that. On the 15-minute, if it breaks through this $20 resistance, I think it has a long way to go. If we go back to the 1 hour, it's probably going to go all the way up to almost $21. Okay, what is the best way to get TIA in your wallet? The best way to do that is to go on to Coinbase or another exchange and get the Atom token, ATOM, and transfer that into your Kepler wallet. Once you have Atom in your Kepler wallet, you can go down here to swap. And then you can swap your Atom for whatever IBC or Cosmos ecosystem token you want, pretty much. So I'm going to go down here and go to TIA. I've got 4.95 Atom in my wallet. I'm going to swap 4 Atom tokens for 2 TIA tokens. I'm going to hit next. And it's going to ask me to approve. Once I approve this transaction, then there's going to be a swap process. And once the swap goes through, we're going to have some TIA in our wallet. Once we have the TIA in our wallet, then we can go ahead and we can stake these TIA tokens. In my opinion, currently, Prism and their stake drop is probably the easiest way to get an airdrop currently. There's going to be a bunch of other airdrops, I'm sure, from staking TIA tokens, but currently the best one I can find is the Prism stake drop. To get there, you're going to hit the stake button on your Kepler dashboard, and you're going to go to Celestia. Right now it's trending, I guess, so you're going to click on Celestia, and then you're going to search for Prism. Click on Prism, hit stake, and I have 2.36 TIA in my wallet. I'm going to go for 2.0. So I have some gas left over for gas fees in the future. I'm going to hit stake, and then I'm going to hit approve. And then once this goes through, then we are staking to the Prism validator. So if we look here on their site, it says stake drop airdrop details. These are the details. Earn an airdrop. To support the project and earn an airdrop, delegate Atom to Prism's validator, delegate INJ, which is injective, to Prism's validator, delegate Osmosis token to Prism's validator, Luna, TIA, and Dimension. It says down here, the stake drop is a campaign that rewards you with Prism tokens for delegating to Prism validators. And they kind of go into it here. But the important part, I think, is that Prism plans to launch with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Out of these, 200 million tokens are reserved for the stake drop campaign. In this campaign, you can earn 10 Prism tokens for every $1 of commission you donate to a Prism validator. I don't like the way they word that. If there are any leftover tokens from the 200 million, a bonus airdrop will be available to delegators who become users of Prism Chain when the mainnet is live. Couple things that are important here. It says, do all chains get the same rewards? It says yes. So it's pretty much 10 Prism tokens for every dollar of commission. What happens to any leftover tokens? These tokens will be used as incentives to reward the loyal delegators who want to migrate their assets to Prism and enjoy benefits that Prism offers. How often are the snapshots taken? Snapshots are taken at approximately weekly intervals. So if you pull your tokens out, you probably won't get as many. Is there a minimum amount to delegate to qualify? No, there is no minimum, which is awesome. In my opinion, for fairness, your airdrop size depends on the USD value of what you delegate. When will tokens be available? Prism is a community-driven chain that has no venture capitalists or private sales. Delegators are a key part of the community in the network. Users will register the Prism address where they want to receive their tokens. There will be a short vesting period that is much shorter than the typical private round. Will there be future benefits? Yes. The team behind Prism is also developing several other products that will be launching on the Prism blockchain and as independent blockchains. Delegators can expect to earn tokens in these projects as well. So you might get future airdrops if you delegate to Prism. Looks like a good deal. It says anything else. We believe StakeDrop is a clear, fair, and transparent way for delegators to earn extra yield in the form of Prism tokens. So Prism, it says the ultimate platform for tokenizing and trading your yield, fair and transparent for the community. I think this is a good opportunity for a nice airdrop. I am doing some of this. I'm not obviously going to put all of my eggs in one basket, but at the same time, I don't want to miss out on this one. I think it'll do well. There is another opportunity, which I'm going to probably make another video on, where you can use their testnet and you can possibly earn some of their tokens from doing that as well. I'm going to make sure we do the research to make sure that you guys know firsthand how to get into these airdrop opportunities. This is the way to go right now. You can buy tokens and hold them, or you can buy tokens and get airdrops and passive income from them. Quick technical analysis scope. I'm looking at TIA right here. I don't think it's going to break below 1933. I think it's going to, if it did, it would test 1864, which would be a huge opportunity. Right now, I think it's going to hold here at 1947, and it'll probably go all the way up to close to $20. Injective has been bouncing around this zone. It's between about 36.1 and 34-ish. So if you want to buy, it's down in the 34-ish range. I don't think anything selling is a good idea right now because the market is really bullish. I just want to make sure you can see this video for staking opportunities. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.